Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are liking the series of important questions of class 10. Today we are going to discuss some important trigonometric identities that comes under the chapter 8, trigonometric ratios. Today we are going to discuss trigonometric identities that are helpful to prove the questions asked in exams. So there are mainly three identities which are subdivided into another categories. So first identity is sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. That is sin square a of plus angle cos square a is equal to 1. This combination, this addition of sin square angle and cos square angle is always 1. Similarly, 1 plus tan square a is always secant square a. 1 plus cot square a is always cosecant square a. Now we can also find what is the value of cos square a in terms of sin square a. It is 1 minus sin square a. Similarly, sin square a is 1 minus cos square a. So we will use these identities accordingly asked in question. Tan square a is secant square minus 1 and tan square a minus secant square a is equal to minus 1. Cot square a is equal to cosecant square minus 1. Similarly, we can find the value of tan square a, secant square a minus tan square a is 1. Also, cosecant square minus cot square a is 1. So by only memorize the three identities, we can learn 9 identities. We have to just remember the first 3 identities. Now taking an example how we can apply the identities in questions. So first question is given to us to prove cosecant theta minus cot whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. So taking LHS cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square, changing in terms of sine and cos. So cosecant theta is 1 upon sine theta and cot theta is cos theta upon sine theta. Now taking the LCM, we get 1 minus cos theta upon sine theta, its whole square. Now rearranging it into 1 minus cos theta upon sine theta into 1 minus cos theta upon sine theta, because it is whole square of this. Now what is value of sine square theta? We have learned this in identities that sine square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. So we will use identity here, that is 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Now in place of sine square theta, we will use identity 1 minus cos theta square. Using this identity which we have learned from sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So if you will remember these identities, then only you can solve this question. Now what is 1 minus cos theta square? We will use another identity of quadratic identities we have learned, that is a square minus b square. That is a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. So 1 minus cos theta whole square is 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. So 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta cancel out each other, and we will left with the RHS. This is the required answer. So we use two identities here. First is trigonometric identity and second is polynomial identity. So ask your doubts in comment box. Thank you.